Hey everyone, Andrew here. Today I'm going to talk a little bit about lead assignment rules. We're going to create a very simple one so you can jump into it and see how is this done. So here I am in the setup of a playground. I'm going to the quick find box. I'm going to type lead assignment. Lead assignment rules comes up. Open it up, and here you'll have a list of all the different lead assignment rules that you have in your org. You can have a bunch of different ones, but only one can be active at a time. As you can see here, this one is currently checked. None of the other ones will be able to be checked, but let's go ahead and create a new one. And the test we're going to create, I'm going to call it state split. And basically what this is going to do is this is going to look at leads, and it's going to look at the state on that lead. And if it's in a certain state, they'll assign it to one person. If it's not in that state, they'll assign it to everyone else. So I'm going to go ahead and check this active because this is the one that I want to work currently. Hit save. And you can see state split is now the one that is active. I'm going to go ahead and click on it. It'll open it up. And here's where I'll start to add those rules so that it will determine which user to assign the leads to. Pretty simple page, not much else that's going to be going on here. Go ahead and hit new. Sort order. This just means of the rules that I'm about to create, which order will they create? So this one's going to be the first one. I'm going to go to lead, state, province, equals, and we're in Utah, so I'm going to hit Utah right in there. I'm going to say, okay, if the state is Utah, let's assign it to the integration user. Again, this is playground, so I don't have very many users here, but I'll go ahead and hit save and new. We'll go over a couple of the other options now creating this one. This is the second rule. And again, I'm going to go to lead, state, province. I'm going to do not equal to Utah. And this one I will assign to my user. So what is this saying? The first rule will go through, and any leads, if they meet the criteria that their state is Utah, it'll assign it to that other user. But if it's not Utah, then it'll go in and make sure it reassigns it to, in this case, my user. Obviously, you could change that to a user. You could do a queue, partner user. You can create teams, and it'll split between those. A lot of different things you can do there as far as who it's getting assigned to. Basically, I guess queue is the team. And then you can also choose email template that will go with the notification. So there you have it. I'll go ahead and hit save. Saving. And there you go. We've got a new lead assignment rule. Simple as that. See you next time.